In this video, we will be installing a Honda S2000 AP1 steering wheel into a 99 Honda Prelude. This will work for any Honda Prelude of the year 97 through 2001. To begin, you want to remove your battery terminals to ensure that the airbag does not deploy while uninstalling the OEM steering wheel. Next, you remove 3 covers located under the steering wheel, on the side, and on the other side. That will then expose 2 bolts on the sides and your airbag connection. Remove both bolts and the connection underneath. The bolts are a torque 27. Peel back the airbag and it will reveal your horn connection, the cruise control connection, and your airbag connection, which you've already disconnected. Once the connections are removed, take out this 14mm bolt. Once removed, screw it in back 2 or 3 threads and smack the side of the steering wheel with your palm to release it. In some applications, you will need a steering wheel extractor set. In my case, I did not, and it came off. From here, you have 2 options. Whether you care if you keep your cruise control or that the blinker cancels it out automatically, you can put the steering wheel on. If you want your blinker to cancel out automatically and your cruise control to still work, you will have to do the following. For the blinker to cancel out automatically, you will have to notch the AP1 steering wheel where the OEM steering wheel is notched at. I will show you how to do that. I used blue painter's tape to make a reference point of where to make the cuts and notches on the new steering wheel. Once I transferred over the blue painter's tape, I used an angle grinder to start it, and then I used some files to finish off the new notch I had to make. And this is to cancel out the turn signals when making a turn. To make cruise control work, we'll have to put these 2 connections together, this gray and green one. But keep in mind, this green with black stripe and green with red stripe and the blue wire all configure to the shape of this one. This will be the green with black, this will be the blue, and this will be the green with the red stripe, as this connects into my stock location for the cruise control. I ended up using some female and male connectors to connect the green and the gray plug together, and then I used some electrical tape to insulate them as they weren't insulated. But now that the cruise control is installed, and we'll see if it works. After that, I routed the ground wire through some of the stock clips, and it connected straight to the OEM ground on the AP1 steering wheel, so the horn should work. And then the airbag connection plugs into on the back side of this holder, and that will connect as well. Tighten down your steering wheel bolt and install your airbag. Install the torque screws on both sides and make your airbag connection, and install both covers, one here and the one on the other side. And that is how to install an AP1 steering wheel in your Honda Prelude. Both the horn and the turn signal cancel work now. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.